In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hibernate LinkedIn account on mobile. If you're taking a break from networking but don't want to lose your profile or data, hibernation is a smart option. It temporarily deactivates your account while keeping your connections, messages, and activity intact, so you can step away now and return when you're ready. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. From the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top left corner to open the menu. In that menu, go to Settings, then choose Account Preferences. Inside Account Preferences, scroll until you see the section labeled Account Management. Tap that and then select Hibernate Account. Before you proceed, LinkedIn will display a clear explanation of what hibernation does. Your profile is temporarily deactivated and won't be visible to anyone, including your connections. You also won't appear in search results, and people won't be able to message you while you're away. Your past activity, like comments and posts, stays on LinkedIn, but your name and profile photo are removed from that content during hibernation. If you change your mind, you can reactivate your account after 24 hours by simply logging back in. It's a good idea to make sure you remember your login details and have access to your authentication method if you use two-step verification, so coming back is smooth. There are a few subscription notes to keep in mind. If you have LinkedIn Premium, it will be canceled automatically when you hibernate your account. If you subscribe through Apple, LinkedIn will cancel it on their side, but you should also manage your billing through Apple to make sure charges stop there as well. If you use Sales Solutions or Talent Solutions with a license, those will still be available when you return, unless your administrator has removed your access. If your goal is to hide your profile and activity without permanently closing your account, choose the Hibernate option. LinkedIn will ask for feedback about why you're taking a break. Select the reason that fits your situation, tap Next, and follow the prompts to confirm your identity. When you're ready, tap Hibernate Account to finalize. Once that's done, your account is in hibernation. You won't appear in searches, your messages won't be reachable, and your presence across the platform is paused. When you're ready to come back, wait at least 24 hours, then open the app and sign in to reactivate your account. Everything will be just where you left it, including your connections and conversation history. That's all you need to hibernate your LinkedIn account on mobile. Take the time you need, and when you're ready to re-engage, your professional network will be waiting.